How's it going, guys? Stefan is here and you're watching SYG Tech. So Apple just released macOS 11.6. So if you're on an earlier version, check for updates. The supported devices are MacBook Air 2013, Mac Pro 2013, MacBook Pro 2013, Mac Mini 2014, iMac 2014, MacBook Pro 2015, and iMac Pro 2017. So this is all the supported devices for this macOS 11.6 update. This is a security patch, security update. Doesn't bring any new features, but it's gonna make your device secure. So the size of update is 2.6 gigabytes. It's not a massive, in my opinion, update, but again, we know Apple, they push security updates quite frequently, which this is a very good. So this is a quick update, quick news for you guys. So if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, why not? And turn on your bell notifications for future Mac OS updates. As always, I'll see you in the next video.